who it is with them Tim's on. I need 45,000 to sing songs. Now they mad cause they bitch gon' sing along. You ain't gotta worry, homie, I just wanna be alone. 5'6", who it is with them Tim's on. I need 45,000 to sing songs. Now they mad cause they bitch gon' sing along. You ain't gotta worry.
Alright, so today about to upgrade my door speakers to the Scar Audio 6.5s. There's your part number right there. Also got the part number here for the mount. Brief overview of getting the door panels off. For the front, roll the windows down, get your hands here, and roll this back off of the lip. Take a little credit card or something, pop this panel off. There's gonna be, I think, 1 or 2 T20s or T25s, I can't remember. Pop this panel up, there's a screw. Trying to remember. I think there's one more like back here. Yeah, when I did my tent video, I showed you guys how to take the door panels off anyway, in order to do the tent. So if you want, you can just go back and click on that video just to get more informed on how to take the door panel off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse this and get with you guys once the door panels are off. Alright, quick update. I went ahead and just installed this one off camera just so I can make sure I did everything. So if you got a 14 GLI like I do, this gray with the white stripe is the ground, and the green with the yellow stripe is the positive. This here did not work, so these mounts that's on it were ones that I had in the TC when I had installed these in the rear. So I basically just made my own holes. The OEM speakers were riveted in, so you got to drill out the rivets. And like I said, these are self-tappers that I use, so you can use self-tappers to put the new ones in. But yeah, I'm about to get this door panel back together and do the other 3 doors. It's been about an hour, unfortunately, but that's my own little stuff. But yeah, as far as your all your mounting points for the door panels, just make sure you be careful. There is a screw here that is hidden behind the window switch, as you can see in the hole there. So you have to take the window switch out. And there's also, that was the T30, as well as this one up here is T30. And there's one way at the bottom, right there in the middle. That one is actually a T20. So yeah, thanks Volkswagen. Alright you guys, for the passenger rear, the wires are different colors. So for the passenger side rear, the positive is the brown with a purple stripe if you have a 14 GLI, and the ground is the solid purple. And I've only got it like this just because that's how I tested it. So I'm getting ready to put my connectors on here the right way and crimping it and everything. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys that quick update. And as you see, like I said, the OEM one was riveted. So yeah. Alright you guys, the front driver door is complete. So for this one, positive is the red and green wire, negative is the brown and green wire. I didn't have a mount like I did for the rears, because I only did the 2 rear and the TC. But as you can see, I got this mounted without a mount, so you don't have to get a mount. You can just take some self tappers and pop her on in. But be careful when you're taking off the door panel. As you see all these wires here, these go to the window switches, this one's to the trunk latch, and no, actually these go to the mirrors, and this one goes to the window switch. Has a little spring loaded there, and your sensor for the alarm. So just be careful. Same like the rears, you have to take the window switch out for the bolt, or I mean T30 screw there, T30 up there, and same as the rear. I think that's the bolt hole right there for the T25. But yeah, let me get this door panel back on, and then I have my final door, which is the passenger, to do. Alright you guys, passenger door is complete. Positive wire on this side is red with blue stripe. Ground wire is brown with the blue stripe. So yeah. Tell me that you coming through. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this. Will be like part 1 of the car audio. Next up I gotta do my head unit and my subs, which I already got, so hopefully I'll get that done here soon, within the next week or 2. But yeah, I know I said I was gonna do like some time lapse, but shoot, I was listening to the music and didn't even pick up the camera. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will link, there's 2 different videos that helped me out a ton, so I'll link them down in the description below. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Be easy.
I'm tripping. That shit on my bitches. Taking my dose, I never skip it. Still in my hood, a pistol.